All right, I am going to demonstrate a product called Foxtrot RPA by Nintex. Basically, just to show you, there is an expense document located here. I'll pop it open just so you can see it. There it is. And I am going to open that workbook. I'm going to create a couple of variables. I'm going to extract information from the Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to open Internet Explorer. It is going to go to a Microsoft form. It is going to dump those variables inside there. It's going to click it and submit it. Upon doing that, it will send it'll call this form will actually call this Microsoft flow, and this flow will run and it'll do an approval. Quite simple. So let's go ahead and fire it off. So there it is, opening the Excel workbook. If I click variables over here, actually it's already clicked, you can see it's created those variables. It'll now populate the variables, as you can clearly see. And once it populates those variables, it is going to open up IE. It is going to go to my Microsoft form. It is going to start to send some values across, as you can see. Bill is a big spender, but this is all in the name of sending across items for SPC, so that's all good. And we're going to go ahead and click the item. It says the form is submitted. It deletes all of those variables, and this has ran. Yeah, we can go into the intricacies of how this works a little bit later on, but needless to say, there's a ton of interfaces that you can work with in terms of manipulating and working with different applications. So, topic for another day. But if we come back across here, we'll go to Microsoft Forms, we refresh this page here. We should now see 3 responses, which is good. Go back to responses here, we can actually see it, Bill, Bear, blah, 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 blah. But more so, if we come over to here and refresh this, we should now see this guy running now, which is the one for this, but it is taking a little bit of a time going through these items to come back at me. But we know that it's there, it's going to run, it's just a matter of timing. So that's basically it. This flow will run, or any flow that you want to run after it, and the wheel keeps going.